Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error code 0X80240066 when installing apps. We will access settings from the Start menu. There in the System section, we will click on the option for developers. There, deactivate or confirm that the switch is already deactivated developer mode. After this, in the search box, enter the command WS-reset. Click on the command. You will see that a command prompt console opens and then the Windows Store. After this, open the command console as administrator. Click Yes to authorize. There, analyze the system file system with the command sfc --scanno. Press Enter. The full analysis of the file system will begin. At the end, confirm whether or not there was any repair. Finally, restart the system to apply these changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.